Happy weekend, NIO fam. For those who didn't see this, I wanted to do this share and talk about how this trend for Onvo continues. The last 3 months, I'm talking November, December, and now January. The third full week of the month is when the Onvo numbers have been increasing. This was the November month with the third full week, 13 to 1800 was the move up with those numbers. December, of course, the big record month on deliveries for NIO and Onvo combined, 2100 to 4200 was the third full week of that month in December. And then this was the data that we got, the 1900 to the 2500. So again, some consistency with this trend of the third full week appearing to be, at least early on, when we will see the bigger numbers from Onvo on the insurance registration side of things. Now, this is Chinese New Year time frame, and so these weeks are kind of jumbled together. It's a little different than what we'll see throughout the rest of the year. But during the weeks from January 20th through February 2nd, NIO and Onvo combined for 5,800. You see the ranking compared to others. Really, in my view anyway, of all that are kind of mentioned here, Zeekr would be the one that's probably the most comparable. That's just my personal take and view. But again, it's Chinese New Year, so it's kind of a one-off time of year. A lot of people are traveling, and that's when the swap stations and all the swapping that's been going on, I think something like 100,000 on average for a lot of these days. So when will that revenue be shown and shared? What kind of a surprise could there be in that when we get it? I don't know. The other thing I wanted to offer, because I do keep tracking this, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi, still beloved brands and still making up a lot of the sales in the higher end price range, meaning the majority of sales are still going to gas or ICE vehicles and not pure EVs. NIO is currently outselling all three of these brands combined on the BEV, the battery electric vehicle side of things, which tells me it's still early in the high end, the kind of premium priced, sub-segmented part of the market. And that means there is still time for NIO, the brand, to take more market share with the ET9 coming out starting in March. That's going to be fun to continue to track into the rest of the year. We'll have refresh models of the NIO vehicles coming out as well. I think we'll get some surprises on the autonomous driving side of things. Firefly coming out later this year. A lot to be excited about. And who knows if or when the stock price might actually turn around, reverse, and start going up. I'll keep the ticker on the 3 short-term indicators as I use them or consider them with track and that. Anyway, a quick video. Have a great day, night, weekend, whenever you see this. I'll see y'all again very soon.